at Flapjack's Pancake Cabin, and we're learning how to make their famous bear pancakes. I made this, and I'm showing you how. Every time I go to Flapjacks in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Gatlinburg, I get the bear pancakes. So when I found out that I was going into the kitchen to learn how to make them, I could barely wait. This is Bryce, and he's showing me this nifty pancake batter dispenser. And he taught me how to flip pancakes too. Nailed it! Once the pancakes are done, it's time to arrange the vase. Use 2 small pancakes for the ears. Your big pancake is the face. All that's left to do now is add the nose.
There's your pancakes.
Time to decorate.
So first thing we're going to make it, I like to make the eyes first, right? Make a couple of eyes. I'll do a little bit on his ears, right? Just to make it look like he's got some ears. You know what we like to do? Just want to make the nose. The nose is kind of tricky though. So I usually start with a triangle like this and go all the way around and come back and then go down, curl up and back up. And that's my bear. Make his nose. Got to fill his nose in after you make it though. I'm Robert Maples and I'm the Director of Operations for Flapjacks down here.
Robert made it look easy. So I got started decorating my bear. The label on the bottle said chocolate sauce, and I love chocolate.
I always give mine a little bit of this right between his things so he has some hair. How's that look?
Cute. The only thing better than making these pancakes is eating them.
Cora, what happened to your bear?
Your kids are gonna love the bear pancakes at Flapjacks. Bring them to Flapjacks the next time you're in the Smoky Mountains. Want to make these at home? Subscribe for more videos.